Saleify. Today we will be installing POS. I will show you how to install it for demo purposes. For that you will need .NET framework and SQL. If that is already installed on your PC, then you are good to go. You will directly install the POS, but if that's not, then you can download it from here and you can install it. So as I have it already downloaded, so I will install it. It might take a while, so I will declare system after installing .NET. Then you will install SQL as I already did, so I will go for installation. It might also take a while, so hope you are staying with me. Meanwhile, if you are using Windows 8, you might need SQL 2012. It's up to your system specs, but still I am using 2014 SQL Server 2014, so it's up to you which one you like and which one is okay with your system as well. Okay, after unzipping, I have to go and install it. Accept the license terms. If you like, you can check it or uncheck it, it's up to you. After SQL installation, we will go to POS installation. So after completing SQL, we will come to point of sale installation. So I already downloaded, so you can also download it from the link given in the description. Okay, I will play this setup. Install, yes. It will take few seconds, so it's not a big deal. That's it. If we come to this desktop, it's already here, so I will run it. Okay, there are two things. First, you have to create a database server. If it's work, well and good. If it's not, then I will show you how to take the server name from your SQL and put it here. Just copy and paste. Go to your SQL management studio. Okay, here we go. This name you can copy it. If it's not shown like this, then you can select it from here and you can copy this name, this, and paste it here. And now we are good to go, I think. It might take a few seconds to set database and SQL server. So it's created successfully. Now I will close it. Okay, and restart it. And here we go. We are all set to sign up and sign in our own Saleify system. So that's all for today. And next I will show you how to sign up, sign in, set up other users and stuff. So see you till next video. Bye bye.